Good morning, Gladiators. Today is Friday, February 26th. We made it another week. Today you're going to spend some time writing a micro-write, a reflective writing piece. And here is a quote from Malala. "We realize the importance of our voices only when we are silenced." Think about all the people in history who refuse to stay silent when they say unfairness is happening in the world. Please write down why you think it is important to stand up for what you believe in. The assignment is in your Schoology folder. Right here it says warm up, reflect on Malala micro-write. The prompt is there for you. Open up the document and complete the micro-write. After you're done with that, we are going to review figurative language. First, let's do big ideas. Remember that a big idea is the main topic or issue that the text is about, and then it has supporting details that expand on the big ideas. So in Malala, perhaps some other big ideas we might have chosen included fear, courage, standing up for your beliefs, sacrifice, speaking out, and unfairness. We could easily find details to support any of those big ideas. Now consider the article that you chose yesterday. Take a few minutes to revisit the article, jot down some big ideas that jump out at you. We spoke together with groups about the big ideas. You wrote some in your L&B. So you're going to open up your Schoology assignment, the info poem student template, and you're going to complete slide 5, which has 2 big ideas and supporting details. Now I've moved this assignment into our weekly folder so we don't have to keep pushing it into every day. So if you back out from your daily folder, it is right here, student template info poem. And the articles are also going to be here for you if you need these articles. So going back, you are going to complete slide 6. Slide 5. Slide 5, big ideas, supporting details. So then now you're going to take a moment to watch this video so that you can familiarize yourself again with these similes, metaphors, onomatopoeia, alliteration, hyperbole, and personification. So go ahead and press pause, take a moment to watch that video. Looking at the poem of Malala, keep your eyes peeled for an idiom. So I posted the poem again in Schoology. And I want you to see if you can test yourself over what type of figurative language is this quote asking. Dead carcasses left as a warning to all who disobey. And so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for you to test your knowledge to see if you can identify what type of figurative language this quote is offering. So take a moment and please do those 5 examples. The next slide has the answer, so don't peek. We're going to try to see if we need more help with figurative language. So go ahead and press pause on the video and go back to number 1. So the first figurative language was a simile. It's comparing the dead carcasses to a warning. The second one is imagery, and it's describing a ringing noise in their ear, so it is using the sense of sound. The third one was personification. Horror shivered down my spine. Shivering is not something that horror could do, so they are personifying it as a person. The fourth one is a metaphor. Their fight or their voice is a weapon. So they're comparing 2 things using like or as. And then the last one is personification. They fought death with all their life. So you can't really fight death as if it's a person, all their might. And so they're personifying it. So now you're going to take a moment and you're going to complete slide 6 of your template info poem template. Remember that it is in the weekly folder, so you just have to back out of the daily folder. When you are done with that, we are going to read chapter 11, and we're going to complete the imagery slide in our refugee project. I have also put that in week 24, so you can just back out of the daily folder and find it. So I would like for you to spend some time making sure that you are caught up and on Monday so that we can be together as a class. You should have read chapters 7 through 11, or 1 through 11, or refugee. You should have completed all slides except the last one, so slides 1 through 11 of part 2. On Monday, we'll be reading chapter 12, completing the last slide, and then your part 2 slides will be due on Tuesday. In your info poem, you should have completed slides 1 through 6 as of today. And then if you have any other missing or corrected work for this grading cycle, please take a moment and work on that. And that's all I have for you today, Gladiators. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great weekend.